Facing issues with your Apple external keyboard key remap not working in Fedora GNOME? You're in the right place for an immediate fix. This video will guide you through resolving those frustrating key remapping problems. First, let's dive into method 1C, checking your GNOME keyboard settings. Often, simple misconfigurations or conflicting shortcuts prevent proper remapping. We'll open GNOME settings, navigate to the keyboard section, and ensure your desired layouts and custom shortcuts are correctly applied and active, removing any old key bindings. If that initial setup doesn't clear the error, the problem might be deeper with software utilities, which brings us to method 2, hard verifying your remap utility. This tool is crucial for advanced remapping. We'll check its installation, update it if necessary, and ensure its configuration file is perfectly set up, then reload the service to apply changes. Now, if your Apple external keyboard key remap is still acting up, method 3 focuses on the dbus service inspection. Dbus handles inter-process communication, and a security breach or misconfiguration here can stop remapping dead. We'll check its status, restart it, and look for any permission errors in its logs, because a smooth dbus operation is vital for input events. Finally, for persistent problems, method 4 tackles kernel module management. Sometimes, the low-level drivers for your keyboard can be the culprit. We'll identify and reload specific keyboard-related kernel modules, which can often refresh their state and resolve underlying communication glitches. A quick system reboot after these steps often locks in the changes, getting your Apple keyboard remap working perfectly again.